If you want to transform your body, then stay with me in this video, because this year is the year that you actually stick to your New Year's resolution. This is Kumail Nanjiani. He is a Hollywood actor, and he shocked the world with his transformation when he took his body from this to this. This transformation is something that you can do in more or less 10 months if you have a world-class personal trainer, more or less 10 hours per week to train, and if you have a personal chef who prepares every single meal for you. The problem is, I don't have that, you don't have that. But what if I told you that you can still transform your body to a level that you always dreamed of? We at Mindvalley, we found the answer of a fitness system that is highly efficient and effective, that can transform your body and is accessible to every single type of person and lifestyle. No, you can get that transformation, maybe not in 10 months, but what if I told you you can get that in 3 years, but only training 30 minutes per week at your local gym or even with basic equipment at home?
Really? Really?
I'm telling you now, this is possible, you can do it, and we created a free masterclass to show you how through Mindvalley's fitness system 10X. In case you're skeptical, I don't blame you. I would be skeptical too. Because if the traditional fitness system fails to deliver good results with 5 to 6 hours per week, how come 30 minutes per week will be enough? But at Mindvalley, we've been obsessed with this question. We couldn't accept the fact that physical transformation is only available for Hollywood actors or our athletes. We wanted to make it accessible for everyone, even if you are a business person who is busy and traveling all the time, or if you are a mom of 2. But think about it. Most fitness programs are filled with things that don't even give you results because they are concerned into give you the feeling that you did something, and getting you sweating and getting you exhausted, because this is what people believe a good workout is made of. But if you dig deep into the latest science, you realize that there are a few mechanisms related to strength development and muscular growth that make you navigate the whole complex adaptive response to your body. This mechanism includes a progressive overload training with compound exercises and sequentially recruited muscle fibers. It is a mouthful, but what that means is a very short and intense type of strength training that goes in completely opposite direction of all the tiresome and exhausting traditional strength training that we see up to this day. So we created a masterclass for you to learn all these principles of this very efficient strength training, and you're going to learn all the exercises that you have to do, and the way that you do these exercises, in what sequence, and how you move from one to the other, and the intensity, how to find the intensity to tap into those adaptive mechanisms and get all the results that you want to transform your body, but in 10% of the time of a traditional fitness program. My name is Ronan. I am one of the creators of 10X, and I can't wait to see you in the masterclass.